Baseline fixed, mark chainage.
Datum verified, proceed.
Sample depth 5 meters.
Clay layer confirmed.
Clear to limits.
Hold slope at 1.5.
Density meets spec.
Mat line complete.
Footprint allied. Reviewing the checklist, ensuring the cofferdam area is clear.
Zone secured.
Ready to drive.
Plumb, continue.
Interlock sealed. Pumps online.
Level falling steady.
Cut to grade.
All route clear.
Blinding complete.
Spacing verified.
Forms plumb.
Intemporat.
Finish line set.
Cure initiated.
Wall steel ready.
Just not fin chair. Bracing locked. 1, 2, 3, locked. Roger that. 4. Lift height okay.
Full coverage.
Top steel set. Top steel set.
Lift compacted.
%98 compaction.
Density within spec.
Brace section clear.
Pressure balance.
Extract sequence 1.
Roof exposed.
Drop in the green zone, 20 feet.
Armor layer set.
Profile restored. Profile restored. Access removed.
No seepage observed.
Coating even. Duct aligned.
Conduit run complete. Slope confirmed. Zone covered.
Insulation tight.
Panel set.
Primer uniform.
Lanes marked.
Lights energized. Float within range.
System passes. All items closed. All items closed. Item resolved.
Clean, complete. Complete. Banks restored. Yes, sir. Tie-in smooth.
Inspection underway.
Approved for opening.
And now these will bring it weights to your ground. That's how you gotta be.
Ready for reveal. Set trench to line.
Sump pump seated.
Sign height correct. Camera axis set. Steady, no twists. Fan seated, pin it. Valve zone labeled. Okay.
Bring it to 12 bar.
Acoustic run done.
Feather the edge.
Prime patches only. Maintain wet edge.
Seal joint continuous.
Compaction complete. Stud spacing correct.
305 lux.
Target lux achieved.
Emergency lighting active.
Where? We're just about to go selling.
All cameras online.
Smoke clears in time.
Flow to sump confirmed.
Joint seal intact.
Punch list cleared.
Final clean pass.
Set cones to plan. Attack.
Media line here. Vent and fire zones shown.
Hold until green.
Secret.
Open to traffic now.
Vehicle 1 entering. Exit clear.
Closed table.
All feeds nominal.
Hands auto-adjusted.
Brightness stepped. Dump cycles clean.
The flow rate looks good.
Call connects.
Initiate incident protocol.
Resume normal ops.
Recovery. Big target gun is off this ear. Safety risk.
None.
Operation steady.
Overnight watch set. Morning peak starting.
Spot clean only. KPIs green. All systems nominal. Proceeding with Phase 2 deployment.
Counts logged.
Assets handed over.
Temps removed.
Normal operations.
Project complete.
End of build.
Operational.
Automated mode.
Steady state.
Infrastructure alive. Complete. End. Subscribe, like, and share.